Craft and create with me, a canvas for hearts to see. Raise your hands and feel the thrill. Together we shape dreams and will. Together we shape dreams and will. Threads of gold and silver spun, stitch by stitch our stories to see. Raise your hands and feel the thrill. Together we shape dreams and will. Then we'll threads of gold and silver spun, stitch by stitch our stories begun. Fabric soft but strength we find, in every seam dreams intertwined. Materials, they come alive. When we're together, dreams survive. Creativity flows and thrives. Artful souls see through new eyes. Make a patchwork of our joys, scraps of love that time employs. Through our crafts we build and mend. In the end, hearts always blind. Materials, they come alive. When we're together, dreams survive. Creativity flows and end. In the end, hearts always blend.